Are you looking for the best button maker machine? In this video we will look at some of the best button maker machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Mophorn Button Maker. Making pin badge buttons for events or campaigns at short notice can be a cakewalk with this high-quality machine from Mophorn. It is also a great solution for those looking to grow their fabric business by delivering all orders on time. Weighing about 14 lbs, this machine comes with 500 button parts. You will love the 25mm die size that the machine offers, as it will widen your scope for creating unique and stylish badges to a great extent. This feature can even be used to make personalized creations conveniently. Operating the Mophorn button maker is pretty easy and requires the 3 following steps. Firstly, you need to put an iron sheet in the button mold and place the drawing you want to create on top of it. Then, add a plastic film covering on it, press the mold and put it in the bottom card with a pin, and you're done. Another great feature is the beneficial stop functionality incorporated in the machine. It ensures perfect alignment between the upper and lower molds. What's more, this machine offers an impressive speed of 200 to 300 buttons per hour. Hence, you can complete a lot of work within a couple of hours. 41 GKFTF3ZJL SL 500 What could have been better? This machine might create a slight rocking motion occasionally while pressing down the buttons due to a slightly thinner base. Nonetheless, it does its job well, delivering a smooth performance each time. At number 2. VEVOR Button Maker. If you are on the lookout for a heavy-duty machine that also offers greater convenience, this model from VEVOR is the one to go for. Coming with a slew of top-notch features, it can be used to create the finest DIY badges that would appeal to all. You can even utilize it for making keychains and rope ties. To begin with, the VEVOR Button Maker uses a durable combination of solid aluminum and cast iron material. This property makes it much sturdier and more long-lasting than the majority of its competitors out there. Plus, the mold base and steel handle enhances its strength and toughness further. Another feature that facilitates user convenience is the interchangeable button molds. This allows more control, allowing users to make buttons of different sizes. You would find this feature only in selective button maker machines. Furthermore, the unit comes with everything that's required for working with it. These include 1000 pieces of 1-inch button parts, a transparent film, and a pinned back. A circle cutter is also added to enable precise measurement and cutting. Lastly, an easy-to-push handle ensures that you never have to apply too much pressure. What could have been better? We have no complaints regarding the efficiency of this machine. However, we were slightly disappointed to find that it didn't come with an instruction manual. This initially made the installation a bit complicated, so we had to look online for help. At number 3. TOAUTO Button Badge Maker. The TOAUTO Button Badge Maker is another superior grade product that saves considerable time and energy. It offers quality features that allow you to create perfect customized pin buttons. You can utilize it for making personalized gifts for enterprises, schools, family members, communities. Coming with accurately positioned screws, this machine facilitates proper alignment of the top and bottom molds, keeping the failure rate low. As a result, you don't need to worry about creating accurately sized badges with ease. Speaking of the mold that this model uses, it is very precise and made of durable aluminum material. And the 37mm die size is quite suitable for making different sized buttons. Like our previous pick, this product also lets you change the molds when other button sizes are needed, which is made easy by a smoothly gliding aluminum slide. Moreover, it consists of an internal aluminum metal bracket, while its surface is made from ABS plastic material. This ensures a much more long-lasting performance than the average button makers. 51 EU5XRZL SL 500 What could have been better? We felt that the packaging of the product could be improved. That's because the material used is not strong enough, and might be torn up or mangled upon being delivered. At number 4. FASTTOBUY LYXM DWM1. Execute your unique ideas quickly and consistently with the FASTTOBUY LYXM DWM1. It has a wide variety of applications and comes with accurate features that help deliver perfect results each time. You can very well consider it as a one-stop solution for making buttons to suit various needs. Creating exact prints of the logo, text, or image that you desire often becomes a challenge with ordinary button maker machines. As a result, they produce partial results, deteriorating the look of your buttons. But we can confidently say that you won't face this problem with the FASTTOBUY LYXM DWM1. That's because it comes with 20 high-quality photographic papers that help form clear prints of the desired illustration. Furthermore, its structure is made of aluminum alloy casting, promising a sturdy, durable, and high-quality performance. Even the mold that comes with the product is quite durable and rust-resistant. Another noteworthy feature we observed was the spring lever featuring in the circle cutter. It makes the punching more comfortable and easy, saving time and giving you the absolute precision you desire. This feature also makes the machine easy to operate. 51J8 SciF 86L SL 500 What could have been better? Some customers have complained that the pictures for setup in the instruction manual are slightly unclear, as the black and white printing makes them hard to understand. As a result, they found the installation process a bit confusing. At number 5. BEAMNOVA Button Maker Machine. Here's another product that helps completing large orders at short notice. The BEAMNOVA Button Maker comes with everything you need for producing the ideal button badges for any occasion. It's quite popular among small clothing business owners and event organizers, thanks to its range of convenient features. Firstly, the metal slide of this machine is very useful in producing badges of the right design and size. It has a raised part that prevents the die from slipping out while positioning the button badge accurately. This, in turn, facilitates fast operation of the slide track, thereby yielding high success rates. Apart from that, it comes with a 58mm die size, which is more than what the majority of machines can provide. Added to this is the plastic base, which is reinforced with fiber to enable a sturdy and easy operation. So, you can rest assured that it won't create a rocking motion, which would ultimately help you achieve great results. What makes the operation comfortable and faster is the ergonomic handle with a comfort grip. It can be used successfully with some slight force, enhancing the productivity substantially. Furthermore, the durable aluminum railings on the machine give it a pleasant and shiny appearance that anybody would love. 51EVKAQ2A1L SL 500 What could have been better? The only problematic aspect of this product is that centering the circle cutter blade takes a little longer than usual. You may have to move it against the base to achieve the perfect size for the mold. Nonetheless, the product works seamlessly to provide high-quality DIY button badges. At number 6. Seeutek Button Maker Machine. Create lovely personalized button badges with this specialist from Seeutek. It can be your perfect badge-making companion for several occasions ranging from corporate gatherings to community activities. Plus, the brand offers a beneficial 100% quality assurance policy. The Seeutek Button Maker Machine comes with interchangeable molds, which is a great advantage. Made of solid die-cast aluminum material and designed with precision, these molds can be used to make accurate badges every time. Besides, this machine gives you the advantage of a 58mm die size, just as our previous pick. We also found the upgraded metal slider made of stainless steel to be quite beneficial. It is very sturdy and rust-resistant and makes the base mold stabler. As such, you can make more accurately sized buttons quickly. Long story short, all these features combine to make this machine a pro in button making. 51PL1G2L SL 500 What could have been better? We found the handle of this machine to be a bit stiff. So, we had to apply greater force to operate it compared to a few other models on the list. The grip of the handle was also not as comfortable as the others. At number 7. Happizza Button Maker Machine. Add fun to your button making sessions with this attractive and convenient model from Happizza. Its ergonomic design facilitates safe working with your kids to make lovely badges. On top of that, the package comes with 100 button parts, and the machine weighs a mere 3 lbs. If durability is your primary lookout, then this machine is definitely among the best options you'll find out there. It uses a superior grade plastic material and also adopts a sophisticated manufacturing procedure that enhances its durability. As such, you can rest assured that it will last for the years to come. Beyond that, this model comes with an improved swivel mount functionality which enables a more efficient performance. It even helps in accurate positioning of the molds to ensure that the badges and buttons come out exactly as desired. An exciting addition to the kit is a magic book featuring cartoons that appear and disappear alternately when you open it each time. This can spark your little one's imagination, and the cartoon illustrations can also be helpful in making attractive kids' badges. 4149 K5 IPSR SL 500. What could have been better? Like some of our other recommendations, the instruction manual of this machine has the steps for setup and usage mentioned very briefly. As such, it will take longer for beginners to get fully accustomed with its operation. At number 8. VEVOR Button Badge Maker Machine. Our next pick for you is this high-performing button maker from VEVOR, which has a stylish appearance similar to the Mophorn button maker. For those who are new to button making and are looking for a simpler model, this one will be a great choice to go for. Like some of the other models mentioned on our list, it includes 500 button parts. Perhaps, the most praiseworthy feature of this model is the sturdy metal base, which lets you interchange the dies with better accuracy. In addition, it facilitates a smoother installation that beginners desire. In hindsight, you can set it up smoothly within a short period and get started with your badge making projects. You can even customize the badge shapes using the circle cutter included with the product. The 75mm die size is an added advantage since it allows you to make bigger badges. Furthermore, the long, ergonomic handle of the machine is comfortable to use. Hence, it becomes quite easy to operate, improving your efficiency and saving more effort. Finally, the machine has a compact size, making it convenient to store in smaller spaces. 41 TOAUTO SL 500. What could have been better? Although this button maker machine is smooth to work with, it is made of a relatively inferior quality aluminum material than other models. So, it's less likely to render long-lasting service, especially with heavy-duty or regular use. At number 9. ChiButtons B400-75C-100 US. As we near the end of the list, here's the ChiButtons B400-75C-100 US. It is a good choice that has the reliability of a well-known brand and yields considerably accurate results. Although the design is slightly different from the models we've discussed so far, it comes with 500 button parts, making it ideal for DIYers who love making customized buttons. First and foremost, this machine comes with a unique acrylic base featuring a convenient swivel mount. This helps to lock the molds in position so as to maintain significant accuracy every time. Another attractive feature is its compact and lightweight design. In fact, it's among the select few button maker machines that are easy to handle and store. Moreover, its high-quality 25mm die size is designed to achieve accurate button badges. Utilizing this die and the circle cutter together will help you achieve great results with increased efficacy. The molds are interchangeable, allowing for more versatility in your projects. As far as the installation process is concerned, it will take less than 30 minutes. Sounds great, doesn't it? 41 VCETHCQ0L SL 500. What could have been better? In the first few uses, getting the accurate shape might be difficult as the handle might not work properly. This may lead to a waste of 3 or 4 buttons before finally making a good one.